Hey everyone, good morning. Today we're gonna be cooking kare-kare with Pinoy Lola. So here we have the kare-kare meat. We just got this from the market and now Pinoy Lola will be making her traditional family kare-kare.
Ito, diyan po. Ito, pata.
This is the pata for the kare-kare. So this is the meat that we're going to use. Pata.
Pata.
Okay, so we will boil in this water first.
Bago yung lubin, kasi sasagapan pa natin.
And this is peanut butter. So this is one of the main ingredients of kare-kare.
Yung building, meron pa akong isang peanut butter.
Peanut butter for the kare-kare. So we're adding the peanut butter to a little bowl of water. And we've got more peanut butter here.
Hindi, binuksan mo na. Ito yung mani.
This is pure peanut butter. It's not the commercial kind. So you mash up the peanut butter until it mixes easily with the water. Alright, so we've got the peanut butter mixed with the water. Now you can see how creamy it is. See? That's creamy peanut butter, all natural, direct from peanuts. Okay, back to the kare-kare. Okay, water's boiling. Now we're ready to add the kare-kare meat. So you have to be careful when adding because this is boiling water.
Kasi kukunin natin yung sasagapan natin. Bula.
So this is what happened to the other batch of peanut butter. It looks like what? Say that
Sa
again.
modify. Modify.
Ow. So it's still a lot sticky. We're gonna add some more hot water. So we just added some more hot water because the peanut butter is too sticky. So this is going into that saucepan, including this one. That's a lot of peanut butter.
That's the secret of kare-kare.
Alright, so this is what we do when we clean the meat while it's cooking. So you can see those white frothy stuff on the surface. Yes, that's what you remove while it's cooking. What's that called?
Dirt daw eh.
Anyway, it's some sort of fatty residue. So we take that away from the meat. So here we're collecting everything here. Okay, hindi na ako kailangan tawagin. So this is salt. And we've got peppercorns. So we'll be using whole peppercorns there. Nice peppercorns. Okay, see. Peppercorns. So this is not whole peppercorns. We've got patis,
May alam.
fish sauce. A ladle full of it. So that's fish sauce. By the way guys, this is not sponsored. So that's Ajinomoto.
Tapos,
Yung bechin pang lasa sa laman.
Panlasa sa laman. Para masarap yung laman ng karne. Kasi kung walang timpla na hindi, parang lasang saha. Walang sarap. Kaya kailangan naninitip yung sarap ng laman.
Tapos lalagyan din ng paminta.
Paminta.
Saka, ano,
Asin din. Tsaka konting patis. Kasi may sao ka naman na bagoong eh.
yun. Okay.
Oy, kumusta ka na, Arlen? Okay ka ba?
Just type in the comment section.
Huwag kayong magpapabaya sa sarili nyo. Huwag pababaya sa sarili mo. Baka ka mga yayat.
That goes for all the viewers. Okay, our meat is boiling nicely. So it might take about 30 minutes or more. Depends on the meat. If the meat is too tough, you have to keep it boiling for a bit longer than that. Here we're checking the meat if it's done. So you can
Dito may
tell
part
by
na malambot na rin.
sticking a fork into the
Konti na
meat.
lang siguro
Mga 15 minutes.
15 minutes more.
So just 15 minutes more and this should be ready.
Dahil malambot yung balat. Yun ang masarap eh.
So the skin has to be soft because that's the delicious part in a kare-kare dish.
Not yet.
15 more minutes. Okay, so this is the puso ng saging, the heart of banana.
Alisin mo na yan.
It's a very long heart. It's not the usual
Hindi.
red heart.
Ah. Nay, parang.
Isa pa.
Maraming layers yan.
Yeah, many layers.
Mahabang drama nito.
Hanggang dun. Hindi sa summer.
See, it's got the sticky sap inside.
Yung laki naman.
Ano ba tawag doon? Obo? Clarinet? Ano ba tawag?
Lari mo.
Ang galing.
So ganito talagang kalalaki yan.
Kasi nagdudulog siya pag ano.
Uy, tumayo. Nalimutan ko nga yung kanta na yun. Musik ko yan eh.
Parang Mexicanong tugtog.
Nag-vlog po sila.
Oo nga, alam mo na yung gano'n.
Masasama siya.
Yay! So we've got the heart of banana ready. We're now going to drop these into the kare-kare. So how long will these take to cook?
10 minutes.
Okay, so we'll be cooking this for 10 minutes. So just to get them soft and yeah, you need to get them soft. And we need to get the sap to be not sticky. Because if the sap is too sticky, it will stick in your mouth. Right, so this is the pechay that we're going to add to the kare-kare. And the eggplants. We got some pretty long eggplant. We will be chopping these up. Alright, so it's been more than 15 minutes and the banana heart slices seem to have softened enough. So we think they're ready and the meat's also softer now. So we're now going to chop up the other vegetables, the eggplants and pechay. So here in the Philippines, we call this pechay. But in other Asian countries, this is called bok choy. Now, we're going to add the peanut butter into here. Oh, sorry, I thought we were going to add it into here, but no. Seems we're gonna boil it first. We're using lots of peanut butter. So, how long will this be boiling? Just takes a few minutes. Okay, so we'll be boiling the peanut butter just for a few minutes. So we get the right consistency for the kare-kare. Okay, so we've got the peanut butter ready. It's in the right consistency now. And we've got chopped eggplants here. So we're gonna add the chopped eggplant into the peanut butter. So into the peanut butter. So these chopped eggplant will be cooking in the peanut butter. So now we're transferring the chopped banana heart and some of the meat. Actually, we're transferring everything in here into here. So they will be cooking in the peanut butter now. So all those vegetables, all those meat will get infused with peanut butter. That's Kulas's dog, Brett's dog butter.
Di ba naglalagay ng coconut oil? Ay, coconut milk. Cream pa. Gata.
Yes, so other cooks might prefer or would prefer to add coconut milk. Yeah, adding coconut milk actually adds a unique flavor, so that coconut milk flavor.
O, ihulog na.
Pechay.
Ha? Okay.
Oh, we've added the pechay.
Ay, yung video ko nakita mo.
So these are whole leaves. So basically we just chopped off the roots.
Meron na kayo.
Chopped the roots off.
Messenger nga yun. Mother.
Ano?
Sa messenger po tayo.
Sa messenger ka ako. Sa messenger?
Hindi.
Hindi.
So if you like, you can also add achuete here. Right? Achuetes are those seeds that you can use to give this kare-kare a more reddish or orange color. But we're not gonna use achuete today because we don't have achuete. That's the reason why some kare-kare that you see has this reddish color. Oh, surprise! Surprise! Look at this. Oh, our kare-kare is ready. See that rich, thick peanut sauce. So the only thing missing here is the achuetes, because we don't have achuetes. So this is going to be that orange color. But it does have that peanut color. And look at that. So rich, so thick. This is Filipino Kare-Kare in its purest form. If you're still in lockdown, or if you're still afraid to go out, make kare-kare. It's a very satisfying meal for the whole family. Okay, so we've got the kare-kare here, and this is the bagoong. So if you have kare-kare, there has to be bagoong. This is the traditional local shrimp paste. It's salty, it's savory, it's got that perfect umami taste. Okay. Achuete. Here, look at this meat. This is pata.
Sure
This
tayo dyan, Daddy.
is pata.
Hmm.
Huh?
Sure tayo dyan.
So I'm just showing it to the audience.
Welcome to the fourth floor. Sa akin yan.
Alright, let me get this. So we're going to put the sauce, the peanut sauce, onto the rice. Okay. So this is how we eat in the Philippines. So it's humid. So we've got all our electric fans on. Humid. That means it's warm.
I thought you said humid.
Humid. And then you add our bagoong. Yeah, just put it on top like that. Now let's get some meat. I'm gonna get some of this meat.
Ba't mo ang corned beef?
This isn't corned beef. This is kare-kare.
No. Oh, corned beef.
No, this is bagoong. Here. Okay.
Lagyan mo naman dun.
Go ahead. We're just gonna eat.
Oma.
Sabawan ko siya.
Lagyan mo dun.
Yeah, so I've got some vegetables here and meat and bagoong all together in one spoon.
Favorite ko ba ito? Favorite ka to?
Tagal naman. Gusto mo na ako. Hindi ka na mag-slow mo.
Sorry.
Got some skin of garlic. That's delicious. Especially with the bagoong. There's
Ate siya
that
kay ate.
salty umami taste combined with the
Ate kay ate.
creaminess
Naman yun eh.
of the peanuts. So there are so many different textures here. Textures of the different vegetables and the meat. It just melts in your mouth. Perfect cooking. So this was cooked by Pinoy Lola and Lorena. So then I get another bite. This is our kare-kare. Wow, look at that.
Ano yan?
Ay, sarap.
Wow, look at that. The heart of banana. Heart of banana. Wow. So I hope you like today's vlog and see you around next time. And maybe we'll be cooking some other exotic dish. What are we going to cook next? Another exotic dish.
Malakas.
Oh, what? Oh, you just wait for it. See you around.